Hi everyone, I'm Aaron from 𝙎𝙉𝘼𝘾 Machinery. Today I will be bringing you to introduce the reciprocal pillow packaging machine. Today, this pillow packaging machine that I'm going to introduce to you is a high-speed packing, which is able to help you to handle large volume of orders where you are required to pack multiple types of products and also in a very large volume. So as you can see here in the touchscreen, it has an easy to setting interface where you are able to save up to 100 recipes, allowing you to interchange packing different type of products throughout the day. So besides that, these machines requires minimal training and your workers can able to handle the packaging machine to achieve the packing that you desire. So besides that, it also comes with an advanced feature where you are able to inject nitrogen into the packed products in order to extend their shelf life. Overall, the whole machine is designed using metal frame, and also with some stainless steel panels, especially in this part over here where food contact is very constant. So we will be using stainless steel SUS304 in these parts. And overall of the machine, the reliability is extremely high because we are using branded components and also servo motor for very extremely high accuracy during the packing process, which allows fit packing as well, where the machine is able to adapt to your product to produce fit packing products, which is able to reduce the plastic usage during the packaging process. Hurry up and get one!